we found some free APIs from Rapid API, but
Okay.
they are free for a reason. For example, they have a limitation up to 200 requests per
Yeah,
day,
makes sense.
and they're very slow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You want your platform to be able to download, like the user should be able to download a MP4 or MP3 video
yeah,
or like
for
whatever
free,
they choose.
for free. Yeah.
And you don't want the trimming option, is it?
Trimming, I think about like maybe an editor who, want to save time, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of, I don't know how to ask you that, but, it kind of feels like a really good idea for a premium feature which we can add to the software, because pro editors who want to save their time, I mean, you can basically download a whole video and then only spend a couple of minutes trimming that video, or instead you can trim the video right away
Nah,
and
bro. If you edit your videos, like yeah, you must have edited your videos, right?
yeah,
And many a times this would have happened, and like I thought of this scenario. Basically, this has happened with me. That's why I've created this solution.
yeah,
The problem was basically when I'm creating a video, I'm just editing the video, right?
yeah,
At that moment, at that exact moment when I'm editing in the editing zone, and I was like, oh, bro, at this particular moment, I want this, like, let's just say, I'm making a video on Batman, right? And I was like, oh, bro, I want the movie clip of him saying, I'm vengeance, right here. It will suit it, right? And the problem is when you're editing, you just want to go, like, the flow must go on, right? The momentum should not break in between. And many a times this happens, like the movie clips of 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You need to first of all download it, and like you're already putting some time into it, like you're downloading it, so it will take like couple of minutes, right? You downloaded it, and then you need to bring it to your editing software. You need to trim it and then export it to for importing it your real project which you are working currently on, right? So this is a hassle, right? For multiple clips, it is frustrating as an editor, right?
yeah,
It is very frustrating because you want, oh bro, give me clips right away. I want things to like I'm just able to import it directly.
yeah,
So that's why I thought of like this. Like you can just directly from YouTube download the very exact clip that you want. You can just import it to your main project and you can just work around it.
yeah.
So it saves you a lot of hassle that goes into it.
All right.
That's what I thought. And yeah, we can use it as a premium feature. It's pretty fine, I
Yeah,
mean. But you can also give it like just for a taste of it. So you can give a free like some credits,
yeah,
and like you can trim videos up to this. And after that, you can always download the whole video, but
yeah,
you can't trim. For trimming, you need credits, and for that, you can have the premium feature. That will be a good deal for someone
yeah. I
who is
see. I
working
see.
on
I
like
see.
on a bigger projects, right?
Yeah,
On
yeah.
a
Yeah.
continuous basis.
And the thing is, what I wanna. There is what I like to, there is a. Do you know a guy called Alex Hormozy? A millionaire.
No, sorry, I'm not.
Okay, fine. He has said a really good quote is that, if you give a, bucket of flowers to a girl, and one of these flowers is, dead flower, and,
Mm-hmm.
bucket has only like five of them, she's gonna say, ew, right? It's not cool. But if a bucket is gonna have like 100 flowers and there is like one flaw, she probably won't pay
Mm-hmm.
even attention to that. What I wanna say is that, um, I wanna make a premium's value so much greater than
Hi.
the price we're gonna be asking, like maybe $20 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That people are gonna be, people won't even think in their mind that it doesn't deserve it. This price doesn't deserve it, because think about that. I mean,
Hmm.
for example, if we're gonna make in a premium, maybe we will buy some kind of even faster server, which is gonna help you to download a video even faster than the free version. It doesn't mean that the free version is gonna suck. Okay, free version is